If you know us or have been following us for a while, you might have noticed that we haven't really advertised the name of our boat. And the reason why we haven't yet officially installed it. For a while we had her name taped with painter's tape. And even though people generously commented on our design, it has finally come the time to name her properly. Comment below if you ever noticed her name in our videos.
How are we looking?
I mean, it looks... What is this?
That's something else.
Is that something else?
Yeah.
Not the...
I don't know where that
not the
came
pencil?
from. Straight strokes. Short straight strokes. According to the bottle. I can still see it.
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope.
It's guesswork.
Now it looks more crooked than before. Did you put it down?
I moved it down.
Yeah. I don't think it's leveled.
Was I supposed to move it up?
I think so.
Quarter. Yeah, I was supposed to move it down.
Yeah, but from the top it looks crooked.
Because this is crooked.
So what are we lining up to?
Horizon. We're lining up. See, look. It even needs to go down a little bit more. So the level is now parallel with Mountain Peugeot. Somewhere in there. It doesn't look as bad because theirs is small here and this is below that and it's close to this, whereas ours is higher. It's closer to this side.
Yeah.
That's why you notice it more. $12 Look at that. You see that? Get that on camera. 12 inches.
12 inches.
And we were at 13 1/4, and you wanted it down an inch, roughly?
Yeah.
Right on the 12. So there's 12. Another 6 inches and bring it closer to the bottom. Now we fold it out, we peel it. So we need a credit card or something. This E is all.
Ta-da! We have a short window in the morning before the sun reaches the transom, so we can install the port name, the lettering. Excuse me. Where do you think you're going?
I almost cut part of the tee off. Well, I can't see it under the tape.
Ta-da. So we are doing test drive today. We're gonna go out and test all the test all the instruments.
I'll check it in the sugar screws first and see, because I can get lower. So there's 10 feet. 15 feet. Oh, there it is. So you're just over, you can measure how wet it is. You're at about 16 and a half feet.
16 and a half feet.
I'd say.
So our instrument showing 14.2.
We measured 16.5, say, which is a difference of just over 2 feet, which makes sense because our transducer is down in the hull. We estimate somewhere between 2 and 3 feet. We have a 4.5 foot or a little bit over 4 foot draft. So
We'll go out and test the instruments, all the new instruments that we installed after the storm, just to make sure that everything works. And before that, we just did we checked the depth. So we installed a new depth sounder, and we making sure that it's showing correct depth. It's going to be so easy to leave today, and we'll probably do the docking ourselves as well because there's no one in front of us. So it looks like our wind instrument is mirrored.
we're live with Katya at the helm.
We're on the move again.
Now you're in the center.
So, yeah.
We're shaken down post incident.
Doing the test drive.
Now that we have our instruments back, which you may not be able to see on camera, but we've noticed that our wind direction is screwed up. So that's either because we reset the autopilot, we don't have the autopilot, or something in the configuration, I'm sure.
Where are we going?
We're going to the same spot we were with my brother. We're gonna follow the dotted lines on the GPS, and we're gonna put the anchor down.
That's what we're gonna do today.
And we're gonna go swim.
Yeah.
We don't like, we're not supposed to swim the docks, the water's nasty. So we're going 10 miles down to the bigger bay where the water is still brown, but it feels cleaner, at least in my brain.
We are approaching Jekyll Island. So we just anchored right outside of Jekyll Island.
ready? That's the sound of victory.
We have a record on. Ta-da! And the big ship is coming.
Yeah.
I was going to jump for the first time, but someone said, do not leave the ladder. I can't leave the ladder.
I think I could swim back if I had to, but
yeah, the current is too strong.
I don't trust that you can swim back if you jump in.
I'm not a big swimmer. Let's see how big of a current is. The ladder is moving. 1.2 knots? Yeah. There's a family of pelicans.
Golden Isles, Georgia.
Golden Isles, Georgia, baby.
Yeah. Where is everybody?
Don't fall.
It's gonna rotate you quickly. That's as far as your tether allows. If you want to go farther, you need a longer tether.
It was nice to leave the dock, after all. Test all the instruments that we
16. What did I say? 16 and a half? 16 and 5 inches.
Oh.
Off by an inch. I'd say that's within the margin of error.
So we're gonna do. So
let's see if we can test it more where our transducer is. I don't know if we have enough length of rope to go from up here.
So we are going to test drive today. Cut.